What's going on, guys? For those of you who watch my videos, you know that I am Southern style. You know that I ride a Suzuki GSX 8S. I am going to show you my bike today. I opted in for the blue one. I found that to be nicer. I liked it. I have the Aero full system exhaust on it. I will do a sound test on that in just a little bit. But I put the side bags or saddle bags, depending on what you want to call them, on mine. I like them a lot. I put the undercowl on it, which adds a nice little touch. You may notice that these are not the tires that came with it. No, I had a flat a couple weeks after I got the bike, so I had to replace them. I opted for the USB port. It just flips up, and there's a USB port. It can be kind of a pain in the butt to get back in place. I'll deal with that in a minute. I have my quad lock, my keychain. I got this on Amazon. It matches the bike pretty well, I think. I like that blue. That is one of my GoPro mounts. But yeah, I've noticed with the sound tests that people do on this pipe, they do it with the baffle in or the baffle out. They don't let you hear the transition. I'm going to attempt and to do my best to do that today. So I am on my cell phone, and I will have to set it down in order to do this because this does require two hands. I'm going to do it while the bike is running. I attempted to do this video once before without putting the baffle in and putting the set screw. The one thing you will need to know is right here you may see the metal where it's messed up a little bit. They weld it in. You will have to use a Dremel or a small cutting disc to get that loose. Without further ado, let's get on to this sound test. roll stands, I highly recommend, guys. They are nice. It's only got a little over 1,400 miles on it. Not had it long. I will say it does have a little bit of backfire. When you let off the throttle, if you hit the throttle hard and then off, it will backfire a little bit, but other than that, it seems to be running fine. Currently, at the time of making this video, they do not make a power commander for this bike, to my knowledge. However, you can get with someone that knows motorcycles, maybe a motorcycle repair shop, and they can point you in the right direction to have the ECU flashed. So without going any further into this, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you like my content, please like and subscribe. Later.